Welcome to BankCard Pro CRM account tracking software. In this training session, I'm going to teach you how to edit and customize the status levels inside your status section of your CRM software. On the login page, you're going to enter your username and password, agree to the terms of service, and log in. And the first section you're going to go to on the gray menu bar, you're going to click on Status. And on the left, under Quick Links section, you're going to see all the status levels that are organized based on how you run your sales organization. Basically, all the status levels is what you see here on this section. And you go all the way down and you can be able to see all the status levels highlighted. Now the way this is added and built is I want all these status levels to be organized from start to finish, from when you receive the app to where it's being reviewed, apps received, waiting for approval, either it's pending, decline, or if it's approved, then you could do the file build ready, order equipment, ship equipment, ready to ship, reprogram equipment, installed, appointment, installed, verify lease, and then live merchant. Now these status levels are all organized in the proper order of how you manage each account that comes into your office. And basically it's a checklist of what you need to do from start to finish for each new account that comes into the office. And every time you change the status of an account in this system, the system will automatically send an email notification to the sales rep, just informing them, letting them know that the status of their account changed from one status level to the other. Now, for demo purposes, let's say that you want to reorganize these status levels, and let's say you don't sell merchant cash advance. So let's say you want to eliminate this section, and let's say you don't do equipment leasing, and let's say you want to eliminate that section. But let's say that you do sell gift cards, and we want to add a section for gift cards. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and disable these sections, and we're going to basically add another section for gift cards. And then maybe we want to change the names of some of these because we just want them named differently. So what you do as a system admin user, you're going to go to the gray menu bar and under Home, click on Setup Configuration. You're going to scroll down to the third section, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on Status Levels. Here's all the status levels, and they're all organized by status categories. We have pre-boarding, then we have underwriting, then we have equipment leasing, then we have merchant cash advance, then we have implementation, we have relationship management, and then we have ATM products. Actually, this whole section here is disabled status levels. But you're going to notice that every status level, regardless of the category, they're all organized by number, to where you can move status levels up, move some down, and just reorder. Now you're going to notice that pre-boarding, underwriting, and equipment leasing, and cash advance, you notice this is in order from top to bottom. So if you go to the status section, you're going to see that based on how you did the settings there, it's going to show up in the same order. So you have underwriting, equipment leasing, cash advance, and then implementation. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the status levels so we can customize this. And what we're going to do is we don't do equipment leasing, so you're going to see this row is enable or disable. So what we're going to do is equipment leasing we're going to disable. Merchant cash advance we're going to disable. We're going to scroll to the bottom, submit, and what you're going to do is it'll take all those status levels. It's not going to delete them, it's just going to move them all the way to the bottom if you want to use it later on, and it's going to be under disabled status levels. Now what you're going to do is go back to the status section, and you're going to notice that ATM and leasing is now not visible, and it's not showing under the quick links section. Now what we're going to do is go back to the setup configuration page for editing the status levels, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a group called gift cards. So we're going to go to the setup and configuration page, go to the third section, and where it shows status levels, there's also status level groups. So we're going to create a group called gift card processing. We're going to add new, and we're going to change the order of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this up to number 3, and we're going to submit. You don't have to delete the ATM products or the equipment leasing because those were already disabled in this section. So you don't have to do anything with that. So now what we're going to do is go to Setup Configuration. We're going to scroll down and we're going to go to Status Levels now. Now what we're going to see is an option right here for gift card processing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add status levels, and we're going to say gift card app received. Then we're going to say gift card approved. Then we're going to say gift card shipped. And then we're going to say gift card active. Now that we've added those 4 status levels, we're going to change the group to gift card processing. We're going to scroll down to the bottom and submit. And we're going to see that it created its own group called gift card processing. Now when we go back to the status section, what you're going to see is you're going to notice that it still doesn't show up there. So you're going to think something is wrong. Well, what you need to do now is you need to go to the Setup Configuration page, scroll down to the 3rd section, and click on User Access Rights. And you're going to have the CRM admin chosen as the option. You're going to scroll down all the way to where you see status levels. And here you're going to see gift card app, gift card approved, gift card shipped, gift card active. So we're going to make sure all those are checked. We're going to submit. And when you go to the status section, you are now going to see gift card processing with these status levels as options. Now for this account, if you choose Creative Vision Studio and you click on Edit Status, you're now going to be able to choose the status level, and here you're going to see gift card app, gift card approved, gift card shipped, gift card active, approved, and you're going to see all the status levels with all the information so that you can be able to change the status, and an automatic email will be sent to your sales rep informing them that the status level has changed from one status to another and provide them details. Now what we're going to do is go back to the Setup Configuration page. We're going to scroll to the bottom and we're going to choose status levels, and now that we've basically showed you how this works, we're just going to go and reactivate the ATM and Merchant Cash Advance section and put that back in there. And also equipment leasing. And we're going to submit. And we're going to see pre-boarding, underwriting, equipment leasing, gift card processing, ATM products, Merchant Cash Advance, and then implementation, relationship management, and that's it. Now what we're going to do is go to status section, and you're going to see underwriting, gift card processing, equipment leasing, ATM products, Merchant Cash Advance, implementation, relationship management, and so on. And this basically concludes this training session.